Have you ever thought why coffees at cafes are so expensive? Yes, today we are going to deal with this. Today our topic of discussion is why is coffee at cafes so expensive? Many people have noted that coffee at cafes seems to be extremely expensive, especially when compared to the cost of coffee making at home. The prices for coffee drinks made on espresso machines such as lattes and monas are even higher and a frequent topic of grouping for many cafe and cafe house. There are a number of reasons why coffee at cafes tend to be expensive, and you may be surprised to know that the coffee at cafes are sometimes a losing proposition for the owners who make a bulk of their income from the food they sell. Means the coffee price is so high that they have to include many other food items in the cafes. The price of coffee includes all the expenses that go around in a cafe. One of the main reasons why coffee is at cafes expensive is because it actually costs a lot to make. How? While the coffee itself may not be terribly expensive, the cafe must pay staff to make it and they must allow cover overhead costs, that is renting, electricity, insurance, trash bill and water fees. Since many cafes have a fairly large staff, cost for compensating that staff employee is also a headache of that coffee, and that price of everything is compensated in the price of the coffee. Many people also expect a great deal of variety when they order a coffee at cafe, and this is also expensive. It is much cheaper to offer only few types of coffee, but most cafes offer huge amount of assortment. Many types, many stuff are included in making that different type of coffees. A large menu of espresso drinks also cost, as staff must learn to prepare them. The process of teaching required the skill, the process of teaching also to be paid. These all things are included in the price of a coffee. Another issue is that type of customer which visits cafe. Many customers spend hours and hours in cafe, especially one which offer wireless internet. And these customers may purchase a minimal amount of food and drink and enjoy the internet service, often sticking to the cafe's stated minimum for table occupancy. If there is one, when turnover in a cafe is low, the cafe attempt to make up for it, pricing its food and drink in such a way that it can still make a profit. The hope is to balance cost between seated customers who eat up resources for a minimum returns and customers who order things to do, thereby using minimal resources. Means with the minimum resources, this cafe owner maintain the customer and the price of everything is expressed here. When people order coffees at cafe, they don't think about the associated cost. A cup of coffee might not seem that expensive, but sugar and various creamers are usually offered free of charge, and this condiment can be quite costly. But have you ever thought that the coffee made in your home looks different as the coffees in cafe? Yes, the sugar coating, the cream, everything has a special quality and that charges the most. Now we will talk about another thing. Although not everyone uses it, milk specially can be extremely expensive. The price also includes the cup used to serve your coffee, along with stirring implement to go lids and protective seals which keep to go up cups comfortable to hold. Means even the cost of the cup, maybe the cup you are using is not a plastic cup or any cup or matka, is a special decorating club which shows a glimpse that it's an expensive coffee. The price also includes the cup, yes, and the protective equipment which hold the coffee. For people who spend a lot of time in cafes and want to save money, there are few options to think about. For example, many cafes offer a discount to customers who bring in their own cups. Means if you bring your own cup, you will get discount. There's a discount facility. While the discount may seem small, it adds up with significantly over time. People may also want to ask about frequent buyer or stamp cards which offer deals like one free cup for every 10 purchased. Means if you are a regular customer, for every 10 purchase you will get one free coupon, that is free coffee for every 10 purchase. That's all for today. Have a nice day ahead.